generate migration code. As you can see here, we have an up and a down function that uses connect schema to create multiple tables. Each column has a name, data type, and constraints that are defined by stringing various methods together. There's a lot of method chaining going on here with the builder pattern, but overall I'd say this code is very readable. But most importantly, it allows you to manage the schema in a far more reliable way. Now if we take a look at the query, we don't just write a raw SQL string, but instead we chain methods together to build out the query step by step. This tends to be a lot safer because it makes it harder to write code that doesn't work. The trade-off is that it abstracts you away from that code, so you may not fully understand how it works. Also, when it comes to IntelliSense, we'll need to pass in our own interface as a generic. Now moving up to the mutation, we can call the insert method and pass in a plain JavaScript object, which is a far more natural thing to do for the average JavaScript developer. That's definitely nice, but now let's take a look at a new tool called Keysely, which is inspired by Connects. It's also a SQL query builder, but provides better type safety and IntelliSense. It does that by having you represent your entire database as a TypeScript interface that for the most part looks like a regular TypeScript interface, but it also has some special types like generated for the IDs, and then also column type, which allows us to use different data types for select, insert, and update. Now writing this code could